So today we're going to show you guys how to get access to your valves, as well as how to check your valves and adjust your valves if needed. So Adam's going to be removing the bucket seat. So go ahead, Adam.
So basically what you do is you stick the key in your seat lock. Basically grab an impact or a wrench with a 10mm on it. There are four nuts. So the two that I just got and two in the seat here. Just like that. Now you grab either a screwdriver or a drill, and there's a screw right here. Just like that. Now you're ready to pull out the seat. That should just easily come out just like that.
All right, so this is the way you're going to gain easy access to your valves then.
Yes.
On the scooter. So you have to remove that bucket seat.
Oh man,
Bucket.
Also to get to your head, there's two screws here, which this scooter doesn't have any. Just pull right out. There's the head cap. The head is where the intake manifold is. So basically we're gonna be taking the 8mm to it, which is
this one here, you're using what size?
an 8.
8mm?
Yes. So basically there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts you gotta get out.
I got a question for you. What is this green wire here connected to the cover?
So basically these are both ground wires. One goes to your harness and one goes to your battery.
Okay. And then what is that chrome-looking tube?
This is your emission tubes. Now, some 49cc scooters, they don't have them. So basically, they won't have this emissions tube. It would just be straight from the exhaust pipe, which is down here, right there. So basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to pull off the emissions tube here, off the head cover, so it makes it easier for access. Put it off to the side. Yeah, so this is your intake, and then this is your exhaust. So basically how you can tell is FS or HF is your intake, and then the EX is for your exhaust.
Okay.
So basically what we need to do is we need to get it in top dead center. So basically you want, let me get it in top dead center. The big hole here, straight up, and then if you guys can take the side panels off, it would probably be a little bit easier for you. And then there's two little dash lines on the camshaft itself. It'll be lined up with the top of the head. So basically now, after you've gotten all that done, basically you wiggle your valves. This one on this one feels good. This one on this one, feels okay.
Okay, when should somebody check their valves?
So basically it depends. So if you get a brand new scooter, sometimes they need it at 1,500 miles. It just depends on how well they're broken in. Now, if you bought a used scooter from somebody, and they haven't done any maintenance to it, I would do it right away.
All right.
So basically we have a valve tool here.
Okay.
So basically what I'm going to be adjusting them to is 0.004, 0.005.
So which one is 0.004?
Which is the intake, and then the 0.005 is the exhaust.
Okay.
So basically, you guys might be able to do it by freehand, just like this. Some people need a feeler gauge. So basically, what you want if you have a feeler gauge is you want it to be a little snug on the gauge itself between the valves. So basically, what I'm going to do is, since I have the valve tool already, is loosen it up just like that. So basically you can do it with a 9mm wrench, and then like a crescent wrench. So basically I'm just going to loosen them up just a little bit, and then what you want to do is you want to hold the center while you're tightening it, just like that. So now,
okay,
there's that, and then the bottom is the same way. So basically you do, like I said, just loosen it up. just like that. Just turn it just a little bit if it needs it. Just like that. And your valves are adjusted. If you go to put the cover back on and they're a little noisy, try to get them a little bit quieter.
We'll check you guys out later. See ya.